I wasn't planning to review Goose AI. Actually, I opened it because I was getting tired of hearing the same sentence over and over again. This is the next ChatGPT. At this point, every new AI tool gets compared to ChatGPT. So I decided to test Goose AI the same way I use AI every day: writing, research, and brainstorming, summarizing, a little coding, a little business planning, real work, not demo prompts. And honestly, my opinion changed a few times. The first thing I noticed was that Goose AI feels lightweight. There's less clutter, less stuff everywhere. You ask something, get an answer, and move on. That sounds simple, but it's actually a big deal because some AI tools are becoming giant ecosystems with dozens of buttons and features. Goose AI felt more focused. The second thing I noticed was speed, not response speed, thinking speed. I found myself moving through tasks quickly because I wasn't overcomplicating things. Need a summary? Done. Need ideas? Done. Need a quick explanation? Done. For everyday tasks, it handled things surprisingly well. Then I started pushing it harder. Longer conversations, complex questions, multi-step problems. And this is where I started seeing the difference between Goose AI and ChatGPT. ChatGPT generally felt deeper. The answers had more context. The reasoning felt stronger. It handled complicated tasks better. And honestly, that's not surprising. ChatGPT has become the benchmark for a reason. But here's what nobody tells you. Most people don't spend their day asking AI to solve incredibly complicated problems. Most people ask simple questions. Write an email, summarize this document, give me ideas, explain something. For those kinds of tasks, Goose AI held up much better than I expected. In fact, there were moments where I completely forgot which AI I was using. And that's actually a compliment. Now, here's the mistake I think people are making. They're asking, can Goose AI beat ChatGPT? I think that's the wrong question. The better question is, can Goose AI solve your problems? Because those are two completely different things. If you're a business owner, freelancer, creator, startup founder, or someone who simply wants a fast AI assistant, Goose AI might be all you need. It's simple, it's fast, and it doesn't try to do a million things at once. But if you're doing heavy research, advanced coding, deep analysis, or complicated workflows, ChatGPT still has an edge. After using both, here's my honest opinion, Goose AI doesn't completely replace ChatGPT. Not today, but it competes much more than I expected. And for some people, especially those who value simplicity over endless features, Goose AI might actually be the better choice. And honestly, that surprised me. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.